Hey, Flipstars! We're going to be diving into the automation platform today, going over how to trigger automation when a lead record is updated, specifically when a lead is reassigned. So this one is going to apply a tag when a lead record is reassigned in Follow Boss. So we're in our automation platform right now. So we're going to go in here and select a trigger. Here are the different triggers we have available. So under people, we're going to choose person updated. So after you choose person updated, it's going to give you a list of fields on the lead record. And so this automation triggers when a specific field on the lead record is updated. And I'm going to select assigned to. So now I'm going to test the trigger. All right, so now we have a lead pulled in, and what we want to do is apply a tag. So I'm going to back up here, and if you want to trigger automation if it's reassigned to a specific person, you can do a filter. And so we would do assigned assigned to equals, and then the agent you want to trigger the automation when it's reassigned to that agent. For this one, I'm not going to put a filter in. This will just trigger anytime a lead is reassigned. And now you get on here, and the actions we have available are applying a tag. If you wanted to trigger an action plan when something's reassigned, you can do that. I'm just going to do set tag. And now tag name, we're going to do person reassigned. All right, now I'm going to test. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and save the workflow and turn on the workflow. And now we're going to come over to Follow Boss, and we're going to reassign this lead. And now we got our person reassigned tag. Obviously, you can trigger Zapier automation if a tag is applied. You can trigger action plans through our system. And so this opens up a lot of capabilities of triggering automation anytime a lead's reassigned. You can use the updated person on any field though. So if the stage is changed, if a source is changed, if you want to track if people are changing sources, you can do that. Possibilities are endless. So that's our person reassigned automation trigger. A lot more automation trigger videos to come. Thank you.